Okay guys, so we're going to look at one more example. We're not going to do example 9 because there's some sort of typo on example 9. I'll do some examples like it in class today. So right now we're just going to look at example 8, where you have to, if you see a denominator that can be factored, you do that. So t squared minus 25 becomes t minus 5 times t plus 5. And then you can figure out your LCM from there. Your LCM would be just t minus 5 times t plus 5. So you multiply each term by that. T plus 5 times t minus 5. T plus 5 times t minus 5. And t plus 5 times t minus 5. So in the first fraction, t plus 5 cancels. You are left with 4 times t minus 5. In the second term, 1 times t plus 5 times t minus 5. And then equals, here they both cancel, so it's just equals 15. So we now are just going to distribute 4t minus 20 plus FOIL that, t squared minus 25 equals 15. I have a quadratic, so I have to set equal to 0 and reorganize my terms. So I have t squared plus 4t, and then I have minus 20 minus 25, and I'll also be subtracting over the 15, so it'll be negative 60 equal to 0. This factors into t and t, 6 times 10, positive on the 10, negative on the 4. Negative on the 6. Okay, so that equals 0. So I have t equal to 6 and t equal to negative 10. And neither one of those, when I plug them back into my denominators, neither one of those produces 0 in the denominator, so I'm good and I don't reject anything. All right, we'll go over more examples today in class. Thanks.